Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today I have something interesting to share with you guys related to OxygenOS 16.1 for OnePlus smartphones. And guys, trust me, we are getting some amazing changes with OxygenOS 16.1. I'll tell you everything when we are getting that update and what all features you'll get. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribe. And also guys, OnePlus have started rolling out April SOTA update for OnePlus smartphone, but it doesn't bring anything extraordinary. Those changes were already done on most of the OnePlus smartphones with the previous update of OxygenOS 16.0.5. I'll just show you guys that SOTA update change. First of all, here I have my OnePlus 12. On this also I have received the SOTA update. You can see this is the version which is P02. So this one is the April SOTA update for OnePlus smartphone. And here the change what they have done, and that's related to Photos application, in which they say they have improved the position of the speed control button for videos in the Photos app. You can now directly tap it while watching videos. So this change we have already seen on the previous builds. So let me open up one video, and here they are talking about this particular change. So for example, if you are watching any video, you directly get that speed options on the main screen. Just by tapping on the speed text, you can change the speed of that particular video. And along with that, this new progress bar have also been changed, which wasn't the case before. And devices like OnePlus Nord 4, Nord 3, you'll also see this change towards the bottom side, where we have a pill in which three options are there: favorite, edit, and delete. So these are the changes you'll see in the gallery application, or you can say Photos application. Also guys, there's an announcement for you guys. I know we are not able to reply to all your comments in the YouTube and even on Telegram. So once in a month or twice in a month, we'll be organizing a voice chat on the Telegram group where you guys can join and ask us direct questions. You guys let me know in the comment section below where you guys want us to do this thing. And now let's talk about the changes what will be coming on OnePlus smartphones running OxygenOS 16.1 along with Oppo smartphones running ColorOS 16.1. So we do have the initial change logs. First one, if you see, they are talking about the camera changes, which says the camera app has been completely revamped, focusing on simplicity, efficiency, playability, and a new design to bring you better services for creative endeavors. For this, we don't have any screenshot about the changes, but we do have some screenshot for other changes, and I'll also show you guys a video too. And we'll also see a major change in the notification services. If you read the change log, it says the notification center feed has been completely revamped, adding a stacked independent style, quick reply, and more useful features. And after that, you'll also see a new change in the lock screen, which says the lock screen style has been completely redesigned with the addition of a new stacked notification style for more comprehensive and effective notification feed display. Along with that, you'll also see this thing, a similar stuff like nav bar what we have seen on Samsung devices, where you'll see the notifications towards the bottom side in a pill shape. And also if you tap on that particular pill, for example, if you're playing a music, it will gradually open up and you'll also get an option to play the lyrics. I'll show you a video for that. So this is the video guys, wherein we have ColorOS running on Oppo Find X 9s Pro, and here you can take a look at the changes. And the animation is improved a lot guys, which you can see here. We have a stuff towards the bottom side which I recently showed you. You can see the animations also, just with a single tap, how nicely the music player pops up. You can play the lyrics, and you can also see the navigation in that particular pill which will appear towards the bottom side. Here we have another video which shows how the notification will appear on the lock screen. So you guys can see that smoothness and the way stack notification will appear on your OnePlus smartphones running OxygenOS 16.1. And you'll also be able to see stack option in that pill towards the bottom side, which will be added very soon. You can see the smoothness over here. You can also slide it towards the left or right to switch between different applications. And some of these features might be added on 16.0.7 build, which will be based on OxygenOS 16.1. Currently a team member have spotted this build for 15 hours, and the rollout of ColorOS 16.1 starts from 24th April. So mostly within a week, even OnePlus devices like OnePlus 15 series will start getting the same update. And what I feel, this update will be rolled out by the end of this month for OnePlus smartphones. I mean OnePlus 15 and 15. So you guys let me know, did you guys like the changes which are coming on OxygenOS and ColorOS with 16.1? And after seeing these videos, which one is your favorite feature? Let us know in the comment section below. So guys, as of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.